Good evening. Today, as one of the groups in skill development activities, I would like you to introduce our group, the Rebooters. I would like to start this introduction by introducing myself. I am Aniket Sawan. I am from Satara, Maharashtra. I am currently in my third year pursuing civil engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my 12th from Decent High School, Rajasthan and have 84 percentage in my boards. Apart from this, I have participated in various aptitude and quiz competition and held ranks in our college. My technical skills involves AutoCAD, MS Excel, C language. I also have a basic knowledge of object-oriented programming. I have successfully completed my project named Let Me Be Your Vision, which helped blind people. The project involved Arduino programming and multiple sensors. The project bagged runner-up rank in our college competition. I also have successfully completed town planning and management courses. My town planning and management project involved water supply management of Nagpur cities and how to reduce rising gap between supply and demand of water. Apart from this, I also have a silver medal at national stage in martial arts and have second prize in group dance in our college. This has enhanced my social skills and leadership qualities as well. My hobbies include watching cricket, watching web series, and enjoying geopolitics. My short-term goal is to enhance myself according to industry, and my long-term goal is to contribute towards the company's success. That's it from my side. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Now I would like you to introduce my another colleague Vedant Pawar. Over to you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Vedant Mukund Pawar and I am from Miraz, Maharashtra. I have completed my SSC as well as HSC from Miraz itself with 89.4 and 78 percentage respectively. Currently, I am pursuing my third year at Government College of Engineering, Karad in civil engineering, and during these 3 years, I have maintained my decent academics with a pointer of 9.05, and I have also pursued various extra curricular activities. I have been a part of the music club, the personality development club and the Dias club. And over these years, I have participated in various competitions and I have also bagged many awards. Recently, I had participated in the debate competition at the youth festival and I have secured first rank. Talking about my projects, in the first year, I have done a project to help the blind people using Arduino programming and ultrasonic sensors. And I have also secured a third prize for this project at my college. Then I have also completed my mini project using raw material as the black cotton soil to prepare bricks. Then talking about my hobbies, I like to play football and I also like singing. I'm also an stock market investor. Talking about myself, I am a keen learner and I have people skills. I can interact with people easily. And my short-term goal is to secure a good job at a company, and long-term goal is to better myself at my job and to pursue my interests. That's all about me. Thank you. And next introduction will be given by Prajwal Kumar Tati. Thank you.
Thank you, Prajwal, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Hemant Ramesh Borkar from Chandrapur district. I currently pursuing my third year BTech in civil engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad from Kolhapur University. I completed my SSC from the Jai Hind Junior College of Science, Chandrapur, and SSC from the Bharat Vidyalaya, Navargaon. I have completed my 2-month internship at Paras Bilgam company in Nagpur under the guidance of Shakif Raza sir, who was the project manager. On the site is of hospital building, which was B plus G plus 7-story building. On the site, I learned many things: how to handle the laborers, how to read the plans of the building, how to maintain everything on the site, and how to survey on the site with the help of auto level and the total station. I have completed 2 certified courses which are related to the civil engineering, that are StatPro and Estimation and Costing. This certified course given by Computer Disha Institute, which was a 2-month training program who we held by Disha Institute. Uh, Apart from this, I am interested in many other softwares also. Apart from this, I am interested in the programming language like Python, C, and C++. Apart from this, I am the CR of training placement organization of our college and coordinator of hackathon which was held in our college, and be the part of many activities which was held in our college also. My strength is I am hardworking, disciplined person, and my time management are very good. My short term goal is to achieve good position to get job in reputed company, and my short term goal is to achieve good position where I can build my career and helps to I give my best to the organization. My hobbies are playing cricket, photography, and listening music. That's all about me. Thank you, Prajwal, for giving me this opportunity. And I call to Rishikesh Pawar to introduce himself. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedant. Hi, this is Prajal Kumar Tati from Solapur. I am a currently third year student of Government College of Engineering, Karad in Civil Engineering and have a CGPA of 8.9. So far, I have participated in various extracurricular activities in college and held position of responsibility in college clubs and associations. Right now, I am a publicity coordinator in culture committee. It developed my communication, leadership, and public speaking skills. In addition, I did some online courses to learn more about C, C++, AutoCAD, graphic design. I look forward to exploring more. With our academy, two group projects were carried out. The first is working model of piezometer and second is case study on Nagpur management system. Speaking of my goal in short term is to have a good job. In long term is to explore the world. Talking about my strengths and weaknesses, my strength is I am good at teamwork, team management, and weakness is that I can't say no to it. My hobbies are reading books and playing role playing games. Thank you. The next will be Hemant.
Thank you, Hemant, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Coming to my introduction, good evening. I am Rishikesh Bharat Pawar from Kolhapur. I have been studying in third year civil in Government College of Engineering, Karad. Still now I have maintained a CGPA of 9. From school days, I have been in various extracurricular activities which help me boost my leadership qualities and be socially adaptable. Few of the extracurricular activities are: the first, I was house captain in school. The second, I was in a playing cricket team in school. The third is, coming to the college, I have participated in dance which we secured in a group dance which we secured second position in college, and I have been in the management team of cultural committee. Coming to the academics, in school I have represented my school in 3 Olympiads, out of which I have secured one gold medal in at district level. In college, we have performed two group projects. The first is the working of piezometer, and the second is comprehensive analysis of air pollution in Western Maharashtra, which was our mini project. My technical knowledge includes I have a sound knowledge of software AutoCAD, and I am on the verge of learning a STAD Pro. My interests belong to traveling, cooking, playing cricket. My short-term goal is securing a good job, and my long-term goal is remaining a responsible citizen of a country. Thank you. Now, Rahul Lingade will continue with his introduction. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Vilas Lingde from Atpadi. Hmm. I have completed my SSC from New English School Lingrewadi Madguri and HSC from Rajaram Bapu Junior College Atpadi. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in third year civil from Government College of Engineering, Karad. My current CGPA is 8.25. I have a basic knowledge of C, C++, and Python. I have completed my mini project of fly ash bricks. My short term goal is to join reputed companies, and long term goal is fulfill my parent desires. My hobbies are watching movies, playing cricket, photography, and video editing. Thank you. Next to introduce to Samarth Gadi.
Hello everyone, this is Gade Samartha Bhagwat from Rauri district Ahmednagar. Currently I am pursuing BTech in Civil Engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad. I have completed my secondary education from Sadhvi Preeti Sudhaji International School Rahata and higher secondary education from St. Lawrence High School and Junior College Nasik. My hobbies is to listen music, trekking, traveling and cooking. I am hardworking and well-disciplined person. I am always keen to upskill myself to learn new things whenever I am free. I have good management skills, marketing skills, leadership quality and with good team spirit. During my college periods, I have associated with certain projects under Smart India Hackathon program in which I did project on smart traffic system using piezometer and minor project on air quality data analysis. I have completed my internship in site construction and its management under a civil engineer in Ahmednagar. My short-term goal is to get placed in a good company and long-term goal is to get good position and well designation in that company. Thank you.
Thank you, Samarth Gade. Hello everyone, this is Vaibhav Pradeep Kushekar. I am from Satara. I have completed my SSC from Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya Panchwad and HSC from Yashwantrao Chavan Institute of Science Satara. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in core branch of Civil Engineering in Government College of Engineering Karad. I have completed National Cadet course. I also worked under a team of Avishkar Club. I have learned basics of C++, C and Python. In third year, I have completed mini project on comparative study of fiber response concrete. About my strength, I am disciplined, hardworking and flexible in all conditions. Apart from these curriculum activities, I am also passionate about natural photography and sketching. This is all from my side. Thank you very much for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. Now Pradeep Kakade will introduce himself. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, Vaibhav. My name is Kakde Pradeep Audumbar. I am from Jamkhed, Ahmednagar. My latest educational qualification is BTech in Civil from Government College of Engineering in Karad. And now I am pursuing in third year Civil Engineering and my last year CGPA is 8.59. In the month of October, I done my 45 days internship from City Corporation Limited, Pune. From this internship, I got so many practical knowledge about the construction site. Uh, about my project, I done my one project on the piezo plate and one case study on water supply system of Nagpur, entire Nagpur city. Then I am skilled in MS Office as well as in AutoCAD, and nowadays I learn Site Pro also. Apart from this, I am organization member in the cultural committee which conduct different cultural related event in the college. Uh, Due to this, my management as well as leadership quality get polish. My biggest hobby is acting. I like play a role in skit as well as a direct the skit or a drama very well. I secured last year second rank in SUK Youth Festival in skit competition and at the district level. Thank you very much. And next over to Muzamil Sheikh. Thank you very much.